Today on Easy Quick Meal, we are making Hong Kong style crispy noodles, also known as pan-fried noodles. These golden crispy egg noodles are pan-fried or deep-fried and topped with a savory mix of fresh vegetables, tender meats, and a luscious gravy that soaks up every bite. Whether you're looking for some Cantonese recipes, easy pan-fried noodles, or the best crispy noodles recipe, this dish is a game changer. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick and delicious recipes. Let's get cooking. First, we need the right type of noodle. It's a pan-fried noodle. Boil a large pot of water and put the noodles. Boil briefly just to loosen up the starch. Then take it out and put in a large bowl or container. Let it cool a little and separate the noodles into 3 smaller batches. We are going to make pan fry and also deep fry noodles. The pan fry takes more time and effort, but will give a smoky flavor or the wok hei. Heat up your pan or wok under medium heat and add a little bit of oil. When the oil is hot, add the noodles. Pan fry until the noodles are crispy. You need to watch this if you're using a wok as it burns easily. You may need to add a little more oil as well and turn the heat to low. Flip the noodles and pan fry the other side. You may see some charring on the noodles. That is okay. The slight char from the wok will give the smoky flavor. Now we are making the deep fried noodles. Heat up oil in the pan or wok enough to deep fry the noodles. To test whether the oil is hot enough for frying, I like to put a wooden spoon, and if it sizzles, the oil is ready. Put the noodles and fry until golden brown and flip it once. Once it is crispy, take it out and drain on paper towel. I have some carrots, broccoli, and cabbage. You can use any vegetables you like. Measurements are in the description box. Cut the cabbage into big chunks like this. This is how my mom taught me how to cut the florets. You don't cut all the way so the buds are intact. Peel the carrots and slice thinly. I have some fish balls and beef balls. I like to slice each ball into 3 slices. You can cut into 2 if it's easier. I have some squid ring that I cut into smaller pieces. You can use the squid that is cut like a flower. That will make the dish look prettier. But this is all I have. I have some deveined shrimp here that I just need to peel. I have some chicken breast that I sliced thinly. I'm using 2 different types of canned mushrooms here. You can use fresh or just one type of mushrooms. I just need to drain it. Cooking the sauce for these pan-fried noodles is really quick, so I like to boil the chicken broth. Add oil to your hot pan and add the garlic. Again, measurements are in the description box. Saute the garlic briefly and add the chicken. When the chicken is half cooked, add the carrots. When the carrots is almost cooked, add the fish balls, meatballs, and mushrooms. Add the squid and shrimp, then the sauce. Saute briefly and add the broccoli. Add the boiling chicken broth. Add the cabbage. Add pepper, salt, sugar, and the chicken powder. Add the cornstarch solution and stir. Finally, add the sesame seed oil, stir, and turn off the heat. The crispy noodle is ready, and we would like to eat it with pickled chili pepper and pickled cucumber, which I had posted previously. Click on the top right corner if you like to get the recipe. Thank you for watching, and I see you next time.